Hello guys, today we are here in Betelnut Resort, which is located in the very popular tourist place in Meghalaya, which is Shnongpdeng. So as the name suggests, this resort is located right in between the Betelnut plantation. So let's go inside and take a look at this resort. As I told you earlier before entering, that this resort is located right in between the betelnut plantation, and as you can see behind me, these are the betelnut trees, and these betelnuts are called Kwai in Khasi. Like Khasi is the local language over here. This is the restaurant of this resort. As you can see, it's very clean. It's very well maintained. Actually, even if you're not staying in the resort, you can always, whenever you're hungry, you can always come down here and grab a quick bite. They offer a variety of cuisines, be it Indian, be it Chinese, whatever you name it. Actually, I'm very excited to go and check out my room. So let's go. So guys, this is my room. Let's go check it out. It looks so comfortable. Let's check out the bed there. It's so comfortable. I could lay here all day. There's a TV there. Oh, that's a good thing. Let's go and check out the balcony. Oh, damn, the view. The view is so great. So mesmerizing, man. Actually, I got this room. There's still some rooms available down there. Oh, man, I could stay here all day. Let's go check out the bathroom. And this is the bathroom where you can handle your other business. There's a shower, there's a tap, there's a geyser, there's a toilet, a mirror, and a sink. Okay, does it look great? Okay guys, I'm very tired. It's been a long journey, so I'll get back to you later. For now, bye-bye.